guys, so in today's video Lutty's getting a battery change, but the leisure ones. Ha ha ha. Now the batteries I've got, they're not very good. They're 95 amp hours each. I've had them for about 2 years and my power is not lasting now due to winter months as well, being November 6th 2024. I need the power and I ain't got it. I have to keep either running Lutty to charge the batteries up or even start the generator up, and either one of those is not practical at this time of year, especially when you park for ages. So anyway, batteries. This is what I've got at the moment. So I've got a couple AGM leisure batteries, 12 volts, 95 amp hours, 400 cycles. I'm pretty sure I've gone way past that. I don't know what WH1140 means, I haven't got a clue. So I'm currently running just a couple standard leisure batteries for motorhome and caravans. So the plan is to take them out and replace them with the nice new ones I've just bought, which are these AGM Leisure. Now these, big difference. So we got AGM 230 and it's 230 amp hours and cranking hours 1200 MCA. Now these are usually on canal boats and other marine stuff sort of thing, so yes, they are big, they're a little bit heavier, granted, but those only just fit in my place here. So I've got to take the hoover out, the inverter out, get those batteries out, clear all that floor, then stick those in and connect it all up. That's going to be fun. So that's tonight's job at 8:15 on a Wednesday. Granted, them batteries, the new ones, were £640, I think it was. Sorry, I'll have a quick look. Yeah, £640. But credit to the supplier, they got them here within a day and a bit. So they're very fast on getting the batteries here. Very, very pleased with the service. So let's strip out this battery area, shall we? And I'll have to use a different light because I'm going to have no power in here soon enough. Right, let's strip the batteries out. So I'll put you on my head, I think. I'm going to give it a go. Okay. That one's as tight as I thought. Okay, alright. Let's mix this off. One inverter out. I'll put that up on a seat. Oh yeah, let's collect all this up before I lose it. Don't do that, do we? Put it all back on. And these sods are, when they lose some of those bits, I'll still use that. Right, So let's pull that screw out the floor. Okay, I need to get another light. Let's go number 3. Haha. Should have power that. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah, you guys might recognise these are the lights I use when I'm exploring. So, where can I put this? This is going to be a fun video today, isn't it? Alright, let's use the blind, shall we? Yeah, that would do it, wouldn't it? Right, Lutty's going to get power cut. Turn everything off. And that one. Right, let's move that. Do I want spanners, don't I? Yeah. Got a span about. So let's whip off, I think that's a 14. 13. There we go. Gone. It's going. There we go, that's that one off. Right, next one. Now take note, I did put the main earth to the batteries on that side and the main positive on that side, so you're going across, you're not going from one battery, you always go opposites. Then you're doing the batteries equally rather than one-sided, as it were. Right, so that's that mains off. Now I've got some new battery clamps. Granted they're the wrong ones, but I could get around it, it's fine. Right, so let's get this first battery out. You on the seat for now. Right, get the other one. There we go. Gets them out of the way. So let's strip this floor out, shall we? Well, sit up there, don't need that. That can sit. Right there, that'll be fine. Get out of the way. These are inverter wires. Inverter's got to move. Oh, I don't know where. We'll suss that out. Right, so I'm going to take this bracket out. Too much other stuff in there. Check that there. That worked, didn't it, Andy? Yes, it did. Right, next one. get stuck here. I've already done that. Okay. Yep, I did. Alright, let's lose that. Okay. Smooth here. Oh, yeah, typical. I would zip tie that to the bottom when I. That's a good idea. Brilliant. Oh. Oh well, scissors. Oh, here we go, got a pair of snips, even better. Go. Right. There we go, that's better. So, let's get a dustpan and quickly sweep this out. I may have to get a longer earth cable. That's fine. I could be worried about some point. It's not a emergency problem. Right, let's get one battery, shall we? Right, here we go. Now, I'll do it that way. Is that going to reach? No. No, it's not. I have to spin them. Ah. Okay. I will put some metal strap on that timber down there across down to the next one. Yeah, that's all right. In fact, that's actually better like that. How far that positive make it this time? I won't make it to the other positive over here, I don't think. Let's untangle it for me, that'd be a good idea. There we go. Oh, it will, yeah, perfect. There we go. Right. Stuffy there. So, let's get a metal strap screwed onto that, ready to drape over it. Which, got some new stuff. And I don't think the old one's going to be long enough somehow. Yeah, no, forget that. Right, here we go. Let's get a new bit, a fresh bit. A little bend on the end. Okay. All right, screw. Driver. I was going to get Kieran to help me do this, but I'm just so fed up with lack of power. I just want to get it done. I mean, he's at home gaming anyway, so I'll just leave him to it tonight. He's going to help me do this Saturday. There we go. Alright, leave a drill there, Matt. So we'll get the battery back. Okay. Lift that up there for now. Right, so let's get the next battery. That's that sat flat there. Okay, so get the next battery plonked in there. Whew. I didn't realise how heavy these were. That's it. Look at that. Can I still get my mains fuse panel? Yeah, of course I can. Good. Alright, so let's put a strip of wood down there. Stop them going that way. I'll grab this piece here. I've got the holes already. Right, forget that piece. This piece. Alright, screws. I always try and reuse stuff just to save a bit of money. The batteries cost me an arm and a leg, didn't they? I've got to start saving now. Go, so there's that one. The likelihood of them coming this way, not very great, and I'm going to have some bits of crap down there anyway, so I ain't worried about that. That's my inverter plug that makes Lutty live on 240 side, so I'll keep that nearby for a minute. Alright, let's get this strap measured and cut. So, where do we want? Right, cutters up there. So I reckon there. This is where Andy cuts it too short. He curses himself. He effed up. Oh, no, we're okay. It's all good, people. It's all good. Let's get that screw in there. Come on. Be a good screw. Stay. Stay, Fandy. Right. So for this next bit, I'm going to put the new terminal thingies on. Now, granted, the ones I've got, you would put a wire in there and squash it down. But I couldn't get the ones I was after, which were these ones here. I didn't think I needed them at time, so there you go. So what I'm gonna do, I'll put these on. That's one, that's that one. Like that. Take these bolts out, then get my new Fandangle leads like that, and go negative to negative like that, and the same again, positive to positive. That's the plan. So let's get these settled in and tightened up. So we need a whacker. Me being me, forgot my hammer, didn't I? Oh, hang on, I got one in my bag. Ooh. There we go. Let's get a little tapper, shall we? Right, so That's good, isn't it? That's alright, this one. That's it, that was... Yeah! That's it, beautiful. Right, so let's get a spanner. I think it's 13. Let's have a look, shall we? Oh yeah, that looks good. It'd be better if we could actually turn it handy. No, that's 12. Oh, get 12 then. Ah, 12, here we go. Right, try again. Go. Don't ever do these bolts too tight. Let's go enough so you can't physically move anything. That's what I do. Otherwise just snap this bit here. That's it. Alright, next one. Yep, that one's obviously loose. Yeah. Shoo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Yep, right. So let's get the earth onto the earth here, nice and simple. So we'll wang that out. That would happen, wouldn't it? The nut underneath it dropped down, so put a spanner underneath it, hold it up like that. Alright, so we'll put that there, like that, with washer. That was, I think, oh, it might still be there. Oh, good. I think I've dropped the nut. Nope, nope, nope. I think we're okay, people. I think we're okay. Could have another pair of hands, really. Ah, you swine. Yep, I dropped it. I dropped it. No! No, that's not helpful at all. Right, okay. Okay, think Andy. What I need to do is hold the nut up from the other side. So let's try a different approach. Let's get a bit of this. Right, so let's put the nut on that, like that. Get that under there, like that. Ping that up, lovely. Then get a spanner, any one I suppose. Under that, I'll hold it up tighter like that. We're getting somewhere. Oh yes. Alright, let's put that back on top there. Let's put that on there. Let's put that on there. Right, does that work? Yeah, of course it will. Okay, right, that's on there. Fine. Right, that one's going to fall down, so we'll do the same again. Right, so let's get the black, big black. Granted that hole's too big, but that's the only type of leads I actually had spare, so it'd be fine. So we'll get another washer, stick that on there. Alright, that's just going to line up. Absolutely not. Swain. You think it goes swimmingly, then it goes wrong. Ha. Right, try again, shall we? Right, not under there. Up, come on, up, up. Yeah, so it's on the spanner again. Ooh, I'm touching positive to negative, that's silly. Right, let's try again, shall we? Right. Hang on, let's see if it's, there we go, that's better. Need a bit of workspace now. Get that washer underneath that one. Oh, it's been awkward, people. There we go, that's better. Right, that should go now. There we go, that's biting. Oh. Whew. Okay, and then that one's got to go on like that. That's the next job. Look at that there. That's how big the ring is. It goes straight through. Oh god. It's fine. Right, so let's get a spanner for that. Obviously a 12 is too big. I'm probably 11, 10 at this point. Let's go 10, shall we? Would be the odd one, 11. Yep. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, so let's get these sitting. Should we get a ratchet, shouldn't I? Be a little bit faster. Alright, 11, 10 on it. 10 ratchet. Let's give it a little neck as well. Right. Ah, here we go again. Ah, it's 11. There we go, that's more like it. Cooking on gas now. There we go, that's more like it. Alright, so let's repeat that onto there now. There we go. So that's the negative side joined up. Now, positive. So this one wants to go over there. We'll put this one on in a second. First we get this one onto here, like that. So leave that loose for a second. Alright, where's it gone? There it is. So let's get this underneath these ones. There we go, right. I'll get my special nut holder. The things you do just to make life a little bit easier. Right. Let's see if that's caught. Yep, that's caught, lovely. Alright, let's sit it. It's very pissed at the minute. That wash is not seating very well. Right, there we go, that's better, isn't it? There we go. That's it, people. So there you go. So the mains off is on this positive here. So the link lead drops straight round. Get that washer. And negative drops round to that side, then drops out. So when you look at it at distance, that the two outlets to the supply are opposite. So there you go. So all I've got to do now is turn the lights back on. So that's definitely positive. Red triangle there, red cross, negative, negative, positive, positive. Right. We could do this, the inverter side, in a minute. Let's just get some light back in it. Yes, we've got lights now. What's that say? 12.4? Yeah, they're laughing it. They're saying 12.4. I was under the assumption those are fully charged, but I've obviously lost a bit of power due to sitting. Alright, anyway, back in a minute, people. Alright, so back, people. So I've done the inverter off camera because it's a bit awkward. So I whopped a couple screws in just there. And I've got the mains leads back on now. So we've got the red straight way down into the main isolator there. Earth straight round up onto the earth lead over here. So that's it, that's everything done. Now I've got to test those, see how long they last. Hopefully a lot more longer. So now I just got to grab my inverter lead, stick that back in its hole like that. Take this cable down somewhere tidy, hopefully. I'll reset that properly at some point, but that's just, yeah, there we go. So I just got to have a little tidy up in there, pack all the other assortment of bits away, and that's it, all done. Let's get a bit of light. Yeah, sort of helping. Anyway, I hope that's helpful, people. Just thought I'd give you a little video of me changing batteries in Lutty. Anyway, don't forget, like, subscribe, comment if you wish, and love you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.